tutorial for double attitude legs. So we're going to talk about it from the floor first. So you want to just bring yourself down on your bum, and then you're going to drop the right knee down to the floor, and then the left knee is going to follow, but the foot goes out to the side. It's the easiest way to look at this. I'll just turn around a little bit. So as you can see, my foot is framing the pole. Sorry, my knee's framing the pole. And this is what the position of the arm is going to look like. So you can see that I'm not, there's a little bit of a gap between my body and the pole. I'm in this position, okay? And there's, like when you spin, there's a slight forearm grip as well. So let's just see what that looks like the other side. So release the legs, lift the knees up to the ceiling, and just swap sides. So you're resting on the left side of your body now. So if the left knee is, the inside of the left knee is facing up towards the ceiling, the outside of the right knee should be facing up towards the ceiling. And if that's the case, with the left leg forward, left hand is on, just about shoulder to eye level, inside arm is high. So that's the position that you're going to be in. And again, as you come down, you can sometimes use the forearm grip, but you don't always necessarily need to use that, okay? Because you can get more pull in that arm. So let's look at it from up the pole. So we're gonna step with the inside leg, outside arm comes across chest level. It's this position. So just do that a few times just to get used to where the legs are going. And then you kind of, when you go into it, you want to leave the back leg behind, but it just kind of echoes the movement that's happening in the front leg. Okay, a couple more times, just so you know exactly where you're going with that leg. Okay, let's swap sides now. Step, leg, leg, there. So you can see every time that we go, the inside of the knee is facing up towards the ceiling. And that's just the position we're trying to find. So let's have a little go for this now. So inside arm nice and tall. Start close to the pole, because if you start too far away you can get a lot of swing, and you probably don't want to do that if you're new to pole. So we're there, outside arm chest level. You're going to step, lift the back leg up, and step, step. Okay, let's go to the other side. So we're starting quite close to the pole, we're stepping, round, step, relax. So another thing to note in this position as well is that in order for the back leg to stay up, you've got to really engage your oblique muscles, okay? So it's not an easy move to hold at all. So if you're finding that quite difficult, I want you to loosen your grip and take it down to the floor, okay? Because your feet will probably hit the floor before anything else, and that will just show you how much you're actually holding. So let's go from this side. Step, gently loosen the grip in your hands to land. And we've landed in this lovely position. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to extend in the back leg. Extend in the back leg, take this, what would have been the inside arm, round, extend, tuck the left knee underneath the right leg to stand. And that's a nice little way to get up. So let's go for that the other side. So it's just a gentle loosen. And if you've got like a lot of grip on the pole, then it can be like a little bit like this. But that just gets better with time. You just learn to control it a little bit more. So yeah, play around with it for a while before you kind of dismiss it. So we've got inside arm, nice and high, relaxing the shoulder. Outside arm, chest level. Down, and then we extend in the back leg. Hand down, over. And that's that. So that's your tutorial for your double knee hook. The leg can come in contact with the pole, it can stay away. It just depends on the aesthetic you're going for. Either way looks nice. So go and play with that a few times on both sides.